Hello guys, welcome back to our channel for yet another exciting video. Today we made a list of the best products based on their durability, value for money, overall performance and many others. As always, check on the description below to see the product links and get to know more about them.
For some jobs, protective footwear isn't an option, it's a necessity. So much so that you won't be allowed onto the job site without it. But even if you could choosing not to wear work boots would open you up to foot injuries, twisted and turned ankles, and penetrations through the sole of your shoes by nails, screws, broken glass, and more.
Moving forward, we have a great option that gives you excellent value for money.
The second shift steel toe work boot delivers protection, comfort, and durability to get you through your day regardless of the work. Rugged styling and quality leathers make this boot a comfortable everyday choice on and off the job. Along with the steel toe for protection, these boots are also electrical hazard resistant, slip resistant, and oil resistant. This ensures firm footing on slippery surfaces, which would be ideal for an auto or diesel mechanic. Further, comfort features associated with these cat work boots include a Climasphere sock liner that regulates the temperature and keeps your feet cool in hotter climates and warm in colder ones. A nylon mesh liner wicks away any moisture and prevents sweating as well.
If you're looking for a mid-range model, then this next pick is a great option.
This work boot is designed with premium 2mm nubuck leather to provide a comfortable fit with durability. Each boot comes built with insulated mesh lining that consistently keeps your foot warm and comfortable, even during the most extended work days. It is an original, all-purpose work boot that offers the dependability and comfort needed to do the job. The oil-resistant qualities enhance the durability of the boot and prevent oil deterioration. Also, its rubber soles provide long-lasting support that will keep you going throughout the day. Further, its signature tank tread pattern offers dependable traction when working on slippery and uneven surfaces.
Up next, we have this fantastic model, which can be an excellent pick for anybody.
Tactical boots are indeed excellent and comfortable for hiking. If you are looking for extra ankle support and durability in your shoes, these tactical military boots are a great choice. Also, they are specially designed and constructed to endure harsh conditions as well as excessive use. The anti-collision protective toe cap is suitable for tactical kicking as well. These boots from Free Soldier always bring the ultimate comfort and flexibility to you. Especially ideal for hunting, fishing, climbing, trekking, backpacking, and so on. Further, its shock-absorbing feature of the heel protects the Achilles tendon from impact during a wide range of motion. The insoles are removable, and they have the characteristics of absorbent, breathable, and quick dry.
Coming up next, we have a versatile model for you. Let's see more into it.
Designed especially for police and postal workers, the Bates Ultralight 8-inch tactical sport boot is a very well-designed boot suitable for most uses. For a safety toe boot, these are light. It is also durable and comfortable when working for long periods. They are easy to clean and hold a shine for a while, so they look good too. The two colors available are black and sage. Nothing on the boot is made of metal. The upper is made from leather for durability and ballistic nylon for ventilation. A mesh lining wicks away any sweat as well. Its tongue and collar are padded, so it'll keep some debris out but potentially not all. The sole is oil and slip resistant, while the footbed is made from comfortable, lightweight EVA. There's even a zipper on the side, but you'll still need to untie your boots because there are no pull tabs to help you get your foot in there.
With a high rating in overall performance, this product stands at the top of the list.
These tactical work boots from Free Soldier come in two fabric options. If you prefer ankle support, please choose thick fabric. Otherwise, you can select thin material for better ventilation for hot summer weather. The upper is made of suede leather with 1000D Cordura fabric, which is durable and scratch resistant. You won't feel heavy and tired when wearing it, because it is exceptionally weightless for a work boot. It further offers all-day comfort for those who love outdoors and live for adventure.
Thank you so much for watching. So, if you want to continue watching good tech content, make sure to subscribe to the channel.